All right there, YouTube. So I had a little bit of a problem here. I needed 4 bushings to go from a 9/16 bolt to fit into these rubber bushings, which measure right about 700 thousandths inside diameter. And I didn't have anything like this, and I needed them. So what am I going to do? Well, I could run all over town trying to find somebody that has something like that, which probably is not going to happen. Or I can go to a machine shop and have some made. I could do that. Or I could just totally hack this and do it in my drill press. So here's what I'm starting out with. This is 1/2 inch Schedule 40 pipe. I cut that to length to the size of the bushing that I needed. Put a slight chamfer on the ends and deburred them here. Now you might ask, well, there's no way to put this in a drill chuck, so here's what I did. You can see I've already done 3 of these now. This is the 4th one. I need 4 of them. So you can already see that I've used this bolt several times already. But we got a 9/16 bolt. Fits fairly well into this 1/2 inch pipe. Then we're going to put a nut on. And then this drill's got a 9/16, or it's actually 5/8 chuck on it. So we can then chuck our 9/16 bolt in there. Now you can see that's loose a little bit. Get that down. Just going to chuck that in there. I'm going to try to square up the run out as much as we can. I mean, the run out's not terribly important on this. It's just a bushing to take up space. The run out's not going to matter a whole lot, but we want to try to get it spinning at least somewhat through here. It's going to be good enough. This isn't something terribly precise that we're doing here, or I wouldn't be doing it this way, but okay. So here's the basic setup. I've got a angle grinder. I've got my workpiece chucked up in my drill, and my angle grinder's firmly attached to the table on the drill press here, and as you can see, I can rotate that around. Now that I've done this a few times, you can tell on the head of the bolt right about where we're going to be. Set that up fairly close, and I'm going to lock my table in place. Make sure we get that nice and tight. And it's time to start machining. Ooh, way too much. Okay. Let's back that off just a little bit. All right, let's see. There we go, that's a little better. just going to finish this off with a piece of sandpaper. So there you go, my bushing that this needs to go into measures 700 thousandths. We're at 702 thousandths. 7.2, down on that end, 700. So I got right about what, 5 thousandths? 699, 702. My 9/16 bolt fits well inside. So yeah, there you go. It's only stupid if it doesn't work. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.